Hi, I'm here with Meg Kummerow.
Kummerow.
Oh, I got it wrong anyway. We practiced this off air and it just didn't work. Anyway, welcome, Meg. Thanks very much for joining me here. So what have we got here? What's your setup that you've got here?
Yes, sure. So this here is a DJI Agras MG1P, which is the very latest spray drone model from DJI.
Right. Okay, cool. So what does it do exactly? I mean, spray drone model, what does it do? Does it spray crops or entire fields? What can it do?
Yeah, so it can, over in China, it's used a lot for spraying entire fields. Here in Australia, I see it more fitting within the horticulture sector where they're dealing with smaller paddock sizes than our broad acre, 1,000 acre paddocks.
Yep.
So you can spray chemicals or spray beneficial. There's certain biologicals that can be put on, but you can also put on granules as well. So granulated herbicides or fertilizers, or even putting out the eggs of beneficial bugs.
Okay. So what's the benefits of this for someone who is working or operating on a farm?
For me personally, I don't see the actual farmer doing this type of work unless they have a particular interest in that. I see it more as a third-party provider doing this type of work and coming in and not just treating one farm, but looking after multiple farms within a region. Okay.
So just a quick question. What's Fly the Farm all about?
Yeah, sure. So my business is selling drones essentially to agriculture. My background is in farming. I come off a cattle property and I married a cotton farmer and I work in the grains industry. So I try to utilise my knowledge of agriculture and my farmer talk to help farmers and their advisors select the right drone for their business.
Right, okay. All right, so that's what Fly the Farm is all about. All right, that's good. So thank you very much for your time. Thanks very much for having a chat.
Yeah, great, thanks.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Yeah.